if the civilization is known as art of living in the towns, then the Indus Valley people excel in this art. The tremendous town planning and the urban type of structures, sewerage and drainage system produced 4,500 years back here in Moenjo-daro is unprecedented and unmatched. My name is Barkat Ali Sheikh. I represent Pakistan Tourism Development Corporation at Moenjo-daro. I'm working here for more than 35 years now.
Well, hello, my name is Michael Sturenberg. I'm a journalist, I'm a reporter from Germany. Actually, I do live in France, Paris. And this is the first time I've come to Moenjo-daro, sorry. Moenjo-daro, it's still hard for us to pronounce.
My name is Ali Nawaz. I am the local person here. I'm Department of Archaeology. I am working here as a museum attendant. So I am briefing you about the museum. यहाँ पर तकरीबन 1500 जो चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पर डिस्प्ले के लिए यहाँ पर मोएंजो-दारो म्यूजियम में यहाँ पर रखी गई हैं। कॉपर की बनी हुई एक सुई। मोएंजो-दारो के लोग जो हैं कलरफुल कपड़े पहनते थे उस टाइम में जो हैं वो कॉपर की बनी हुई सुई इस्तेमाल करते हैं, मगर अब भी पाकिस्तान import from China.
The ancient metropolis that Moenjo-daro was dates back 4,500 years, which is only rivaled by Egyptians, Mesopotamians, and Chinese. But we understand that the civilization that Moenjo-daro represents is unique in many ways because it covers largest of the areas that any other civilization covers. This begins with the Oxus River in Afghanistan and down to Rajasthan in India. More than 1,000 sites have been cited. Very few of them have been touched so far. Moenjo-daro and Harappa are the two major sites and 400 miles apart from each other.
Personally, I had never heard about it. I know this is a shame. Now I feel ashamed because I've spent 10 days here and said, how could I not have known about this place? I must say that I have been to, let's say, maybe not many archaeological places, but some comparable ones, like Angkor in Cambodia, places like that. And I must say that Moenjo-daro is really very special. I didn't expect that. See, you come here and, well, in the middle of a very nice landscape, that also counts, of course. All of a sudden, you plunge into a world that's over 4,000 years ago, but you can still feel it.
Moenjo-daro first discovered in early 20s. Before the scientific excavations started here in early 20s, the entire area looked like mounds of brick and mud. And the people who lived around this place in different villages which are still there, they were finding human bones. Now, finding human bones out of the hills and mud, they named the place as Moenjo-daro, which in my language means mound of the dead.
Everybody in his house had access to clean water, to groundwater, through those personal wells. They are, in the part that has been dug out, they found 600 wells, which is amazing. If somebody asks you, what does it take, to have, let's say, a good life, and the answers you find them here. in Moenjo-daro.
मैं आपको पॉटरी के बिग पॉटरी के बाद एक जो हैं बड़े इम्पोर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो हैं आपको दिखाने जा रहा हूँ। ये मोहनजोदड़ो के जो हैं मतलब कि अजूबात जिसको कह सकते हैं, मतलब कि एक जो है प्रीशियस वर्शिप के तौर पर इस्तेमाल होने वाली कुछ जो चीज़ें हैं। हमें एक किंग प्रीस्ट मिला है जिसका ओरिजिनल जो है किंग प्रीस्ट का ओरिजिनल जो है वो नेशनल म्यूज़ियम है जो कराची में है, वहाँ पर उसका ओरिजिनल पड़ा है। उसमें जो है किंग प्रीस्ट और डांसिंग गर्ल दोनों 46 में एग्जीबिशन हुई थी इंडिया में। उसके बाद जो है दोनों को वहाँ पर रखे गए। इसके सेपरेशन के बाद जो है 47 में जो है किंग प्रीस्ट जुल्फ़िकार अली भुट्टो ने जो है वो यहाँ पर ले आए। उसके बाद जो डांसिंग गर्ल है अभी तक है जो है वो कलकत्ता म्यूजियम में इंडिया में पड़ी हुई है।
These people were inventors, not just, let's say, of one typical thing.
Only 1/10 of the entire area has been excavated so far. We understand that about 3 million square kilometers is the area covered by this wonderful, wonderful ancient city. Main drains, which are covered with limestone. Now, interestingly, limestone is not local product, local thing. The only nearest place where the people of Moenjo-daro could bring limestone from is Sakhar and Rohdi hills, 160 kilometers from here, upstream on Indus. You can imagine how important it must have been for them to bring huge stones just to cover their main drains. Now, it's debatable whether the people of Moenjo-daro knew lime as an antiseptic element or not. The international community through UNESCO decided in mid-60s that instead of going on and on as far as the excavations are concerned, they would rather like to stop the digging work and concentrate on the preservation work. Although this looks nice, sounds good, but I'm afraid, being a local person from a local area, I'm a little more concerned about it. I thought both the things can go side by side simultaneously. Let's not block the information of this wonderful civilization. People have right to know what was the real essence of this culture.